Are you ready to dive into the world of precision engineering and cutting-edge technology? Today, we're taking you on an exclusive journey inside the incredible heart of the manufacturing industry. Welcome to a captivating exploration of the REINECKER ISA 200 CNC Grinder, a true marvel of engineering excellence. Greetings, fellow enthusiasts of precision machining. In this video, we have a special treat in store for you as we venture deep into the workings of the REINECKER ISA 200 CNC Grinder. But that's not all. We'll also be uncovering the intricate magic of its Siemens Cinemeric System 3 control, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in modern manufacturing and how easy it can be. While we show the machine around, we have to, unfortunately, make a premise. In this video, we will see the grinder working only with the security hatch closed, since the machine will not start the grinding process if open. Because of the oil and past machining that has soiled the machine's plexiglass, it will be complicated to see the machining inside. With that said, let's start the video. In the world of precision engineering, the REINECKER ISA 200 CNC Grinder is nothing short of a masterpiece. To truly appreciate its capabilities, we need to dive deep into understanding the core elements that make this machine exceptional. At the heart of the REINECKER ISA 200 CNC, you'll find the Siemens Cinemeric System 3, a state-of-the-art CNC control system. This system serves as the brain of the machine, orchestrating the intricate dance of the grinder's components with unparalleled precision. It's the digital maestro that ensures every operation is flawlessly executed, giving us absolute control over the entire machining process. With Siemens Cinemeric System 3, we can program, monitor, and fine-tune the grinder, making it versatile and adaptable to a wide range of tasks. The REINECKER ISA 200 CNC boasts a remarkable grinding diameter range, spanning from a minuscule 10 millimeters to an impressive 250 millimeters. This extensive range makes it suitable for a diverse array of workpieces, from the tiniest components to substantial parts. When it comes to depth, this machine can reach an astonishing 250 millimeters. It offers the flexibility to perform both shallow and deep grinding, making it ideal for tasks that require precision and depth. With a center height of 305 millimeters, the REINECKER ISA 200 CNC positions the workpiece at an optimal height, ensuring accuracy and stability during the grinding process. The X-axis, with a travel range of 75 millimeters, provides lateral movement, allowing us to fine-tune the positioning of the workpiece with precision. The U-axis, with an extensive 200 millimeters of travel, is instrumental in the internal grinding process, enabling us to reach the desired depths and contours within the workpiece. For vertical movement, the Z-axis takes the lead with a substantial travel of 550 millimeters. This vertical travel is vital for managing the depth of internal grinding. The REINECKER ISA 200 CNC features a Morse 6 spindle taper, ensuring secure and precise tool holding, critical for achieving consistent and high-quality results. If you've been inspired by the precision and innovation of the REINECKER ISA 200 CNC, I encourage you to explore more about CNC machining and precision grinding. The world of manufacturing is evolving at a rapid pace, and there's always something new and exciting on the horizon. Stay curious, keep learning, and continue to be amazed by the boundless possibilities that technology and precision engineering have to offer. Thank you for joining us on this journey. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest developments in the world of precision machining and CNC technology. Your support keeps us inspired to bring you more captivating insights and discoveries. Until next time, keep exploring the world of innovation and precision.